What if I told you that you could make your first $1 million with nothing but a laptop, internet access, and relentless determination? No startup capital. No fancy equipment. Just pure hustle and the right strategy. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can turn the laptop into a money-making machine step by step. Step 1. Master a high-income skill. The first step is to learn a skill that people are willing to pay for, and the best part? You can learn for free. Platforms like YouTube, Coursera, and free coding sites give you access to knowledge that people use to pay thousands for. Skills like web development, Python programming, copywriting, video editing, or digital marketing can easily turn into cash. Pick one skill, dedicate a month to learning it deeply, and don't get caught up in perfection. You only need to be slightly better than the people who know nothing to start charging for your work. Step 2. Start freelancing for free. Yes, free. I know this sounds counterintuitive, but hear me out. If you don't have a portfolio, work with a few clients for free. Do 2 to 3 small projects in exchange for testimonials and case studies. Use those results to build a profile on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Once you have proof of your skills, start charging small fees and gradually increase your rates as you build experience. Step 3. Build digital assets that pay you while you sleep. Once you start making some money, don't just spend it, reinvest it. Start creating digital assets that can generate passive income. If you've learned coding, build and sell Python scripts or tools. If you've learned trading, create an ebook or mini course sharing your strategies. You can also start a YouTube or TikTok channel to document your journey and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The goal is to build things once and let them pay you forever. Step 4. Scale and automate your business. When you're earning consistently, it's time to scale. Use AI tools to speed up content creation, automate your workflow, and outsource repetitive tasks to freelancers. By focusing on high-leverage activities, like creating more valuable products or growing your audience, you can multiply your income without multiplying your effort. Finally, don't just rely on one income stream. Split your earnings, reinvest part of it into scaling your business, save some, and put the rest into investments like stocks or crypto. Even if you start small, the power of compounding will help you grow your wealth faster than you think. The key is discipline, keep stacking, keep learning, and stay consistent. Conclusion. Making $1 million with just a laptop and internet connection isn't a dream, it's a realistic goal if you're willing to put in the work. Learn a skill, start freelancing, build digital assets, and scale step by step. Your laptop isn't just a device, it's your ticket to freedom. The only question is, how bad do you want it?